Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. This is the 8th part of Sindh MDCAT 2023 in which biology complete section 68 MCQs are solved from biology subject. Question number 1. Which of the following best characterize the viruses with an unenveloped plus strand RNA? A. Lacking envelope. B. Enveloped. C. Act directly. D. Having DNA. And the correct answer is A. Lacking envelope. Question number 2. Through which of the following does rabies spread? A. Dog. B. Cat. C. Pig. D. Fox. And the correct answer is A. Dog. Question number 3. The hepatitis which pass through blood from mother to her child during pregnancy is A. Hepatitis D. B. Hepatitis A. C. Hepatitis C. D. Hepatitis B. And the correct answer is C. Hepatitis C. Question number 4. A virus enters into body of host and intend to produce DNA from its RNA. Which enzymes is required for this process? A. Oxidoreductase. B. Transcriptase. C. Ligase. D. Reverse transcriptase. And the correct answer is D. Reverse transcriptase. Question number 5. Which of the following is the end product of anaerobic respiration? A. Methyl alcohol. B. Ethyl alcohol. C. Formaldehyde. D. Acetaldehyde. And the correct answer is B. Ethyl alcohol. Question number 6. What is the importance of Krebs cycle? A. Production of pyruvic acid. B. Production of amino acid. C. Production of vitamins. D. Production of ATP molecules through oxidative phosphorylation. And the correct answer is D. Question number 7. The acceptor of carbon dioxide in Kelvin cycle is A. PGA. B. RUMP. C. PGL. D. RUMP. BP. And the correct answer is D. RUBP. Question number 8. Anaerobic respiration compared to aerobic respiration. It produces A. Equal ATPs. B. More ATPs. C. Does not produce ATPs. D. Less ATPs. And the correct answer is D. Less ATPs. Question number 9. In carbohydrate, hydrogen and oxygen are mostly found in the same ratio, including 2:1. That why they are called A. Hydrated carbon. B. Carbon monoxide. C. Triose. D. Carbon dioxide. And the correct answer is A. Hydrated carbon. Question number 10. How much of the temperature rises Celsius will be observed as per the definition of specific capacity? If energy is used, raise the temperature of 1 gram of substance. A. 10 Celsius. B. 3 Celsius. C. 1 Celsius. D. 2 Celsius. And the correct answer is C. 1 Celsius. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Facebook. Please give your valuable feedback in the comment box. Thank you. Question number 11. This chemical compound has some same percentage in bacterial as well as mammalian cell. A. Water. B. Protein. C. Lipids. D. Carbohydrate. And the correct answer is A. Water. Question number 12. Glyceraldehyde and dehydroxyacetone are example of A. Triose. B. Pentose. C. Tetrose. D. Hexose. And the correct answer is A. Triose. Question number 13. The one molecule of fatty acids forming ester bond with one molecule of long chain alcohol is A. Waxes. B. Phospholipids. C. Unsaturated acylglycerol. D. Saturated acylglycerol. And the correct option is A. Waxes. Question number 14. Lysosome represent the basic structural level of proteins. A. Secondary structure. B. Tertiary structure. C. Quaternary structure. D. Primary structure. And the correct option is B. Tertiary structure. Question number 15. Which of the following compound is regarded as the precursor of many hormones like testosterone, progesterone, and estrogen? And the correct option is A. Cholesterol, B. Phospholipids, C. Wax, D. Acylglycerol. And the correct option is A. Cholesterol. Question number 16. Which one of the following is powerhouse of cell? A. Golgi apparatus, B. Lipid chloroplast, C. Mitochondria, D. Ribosomes. And the correct answer is C. Mitochondria. Question number 17. A phospholipids molecule has a head and two tails. Where are the tails found? A. All the surface of the membrane. B. In the interior of the membrane. C. Spanning of the membrane. D. In the exterior of the membrane. And the correct option is B. In the interior of the membrane. Question number 18. Which of the following may lead to death by the age of 3 years? A. Boucher disease, B. Krebs disease, C. Tay-Sachs disease, D. Gaucher disease. And the correct option is C. Tay-Sachs disease. Question number 19. Which of the following best describes the plasma membrane? A. Adhesive, B. Impermeable, C. Semi-permeable, D. Permeable. And the permeable. And the correct answer is C. Semi-permeable. Question number 20. What is semantic layer between two daughter cells called? A. Middle lamella, B. Cell membrane, C. Secondary wall, D. Primary wall. And the correct option is A. Middle lamella. So subscribe Reti Educational Academy for remaining part and also share it with your friends. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on TikTok and Facebook. Thank you. Number 21. Protein layers is embedded in lipid layers. This was explained by A. Lock and key model, B. Sandwich model, C. Fluid mosaic model, D. Induced fit model. And the correct option is C. Fluid mosaic model. Question number 22. This given function is associated with lysosomes. A. Intracellular digestion, B. Processing and packing, C. Protein synthesis, D. Lipid synthesis. And the correct option is A. Intracellular digestion. Question number 23. How long does it take an action potential to occur? A. Few seconds, B. Few minutes, C. Few hours, D. Few milliseconds. And the correct option is D. Few milliseconds. Question number 24. This part of brain involved in carrying long-term memory. A. Hippocampus, B. Pons, C. Cerebrum, D. Cerebellum. And the correct option is A. Hippocampus. Question number 25. A reflex involves sensory and a motor neuron. The way such transmission is called A. Synaptic cleft, B. Reflex arc, C. Synapse, D. Monosynaptic. The correct option is B. Reflex arc. Question number 26. These are required for the impulse to transfer from presynaptic to postsynaptic neuron. A. Proteins, B. Sodium, C. Potassium, D. Calcium. And the correct option is A. Proteins. Question number 27. Which of the following function Dopamine serves A. Neurotransmitter, B. Anesthesia, C. Transmission blocker, D. Sedation. And the correct option is A. Neurotransmitter. Question number 28. Which part of brain is responsible for higher cognitive functions such as thinking, reasoning and problem solving? A. Cerebrum, B. Hypothalamus, C. Medulla oblongata, D. Cerebellum. And the correct option is A. Cerebrum. Question number 29. Which is formed when the blastula folds inwards? A. Blastoscoil, B. Blastopore, C. Gastrula, D. Morula. And the correct option is C. Gastrula. Question number 30. Which phenomena describes the production of a sexual from a sexual form and vice versa? A. Colony, B. Polymorphism, C. Alternation of generation, D. Parasitism. And the correct option is C. Alternation of generation. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Facebook. Question number 31. Which of the following describes coral reefs used by Hakim in preparing Eastern medicines? And options are A. Marjan, B. Emerald, C. D. Diamond. And the correct option is A. Marjan. Question number 32. Evolutionary progress towards formation of organ system in cnidarians includes development of intron and A. rudimentary network of nerves, B. cellular organization, C. symmetry, D. cnidocytes. And the correct option is C. symmetry. Question number 34. At equilibrium, a scientist added more substrate and observed an increase in the rate of reaction, which soon declined. He added some more substrate, but this time the rate of reaction remained unaffected. What was the reason? A. Enzymes was more than substrate active sites. B. Enzymes did not function. C. Feedback due to accumulation of the end product. D. Substrate did not function. And the correct option is C. Feedback due to accumulation of the end product. Question number 35. Penicillin blocks the active sites of an enzyme that many bacteria use in making cell wall. It is an example of A. Competitive inhibition, B. Incompetitive inhibition, C. Feedback inhibition, D. Non-competitive inhibition. And the correct option is C. Feedback inhibition. Question number 36. The structure of an enzyme is altered by A. Irreversible inhibition, B. Reversible inhibition, C. Non-competitive inhibition, D. Competitive inhibition. And the correct option is C. Non-competitive inhibition. Question number 37. Chemical substance that can react with an enzyme faster than real substrate and without produce a product is A. Activator, B. Inhibitor, C. Coenzyme, D. Accelerator. And the correct option is B. Inhibitor. Question number 38. Which of the following is a good evidence of an evolutionary pathway leading from reptiles to birds? A. Fishes, B. Arthropods, C. Archaeopteryx, D. Mammals. And the correct option is Archaeopteryx. Question number 39. The evolution of birds has long been difficult issue for the biologist until the discovery of Archaeopteryx fossil in 1861. Thus, ancient bird exhibited teeth, a long tail containing 20 vertebrae, and wings with movable finger and claws. In the light of the mentioned fact, who were the ancestors of the birds? A. Insects, B. Reptiles, C. Fishes, D. Amphibians. And the correct option is B. Reptiles. Question number 40. The artificial selection in the breeding provides a strong evidence for evolution. What does this term mean? A. Domestication, B. Homology, C. Vestigial organ, D. Mutation. And the correct option is A. Demo. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy and follow us on TikTok and Facebook. 41. Carolus Linnaeus was the believer of A. Special creation, B. Inheritance of acquired characters, C. Natural selection, D. Catastrophism. And the correct answer is A. Special creation. Question number 42. What is the volume of blood pumped per minute by the left ventricle into the system circuit called A. Ventricular system, B. Atrial system, C. Cardiac output, D. Systole. And the correct option is C. Cardiac output. Question number 43. Which enzyme is secreted in inactive state to prevent it from digesting its own cells? A. Maltase, B. Sucrase, C. Lactose, D. Pepsin. And the correct option is D. Pepsin. Question number 44. Carnivorous adaptation of plants due to relatively low content of A. Potassium, B. Nitrogen, C. Calcium, D. Sulfur. And the correct answer is B. Nitrogen. Question number 45. In nutritional terms, what among the following is sundew categorized? A. Partially autotrophic, partially heterotrophic, B. Holozoic, C. Heterotrophic, D. Autotrophic. And the correct option is A. Partially autotrophic and partially heterotrophic. Question number 46. Which of the following statement is correct about semilunar wells? A. Present in veins to prevent backward flow, B. Present in capillaries to regulate flow of blood, C. Present in arteries to regulate jerks in pulsations, D. Present in aorta to prevent backward flow. And the correct answer is A. Present in veins to prevent backward flow. Question number 47. The total capacity of human lung in 5 liters, what percentage of it is filled when one takes an extra deep breath? A. 80%, B. 60%, C. 40%, D. 10%. And the correct answer is A. 80%. Question number 48. Earthworm is an example of A. Macrophages, B. Microphages, C. Detritivores, D. Fluid feeder. And the correct answer is C. Detritivores. Question number 49. Photosynthesis bacteria utilize H2S instead of water and liberate one of the following instead of oxygen. A. Sulfur, B. Phosphorus, C. Calcium, D. Magnesium. And the correct option is A. Sulfur. Question number 50. Which of the following are the genetically engineered bacteria that are used to make human growth hormone and insulin for diabetics? A. Pneumococcus, B. E. coli, C. Nost, D. Rhizobium. And the correct option is B. E. coli. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel for more parts and test preparation. Follow us on TikTok and Facebook. Thank you. Question number 51. Bacterial cell wall made up of A. Cellulose and pectin, B. Amino acid and sugar, C. Hemicellulose and chitin, and D. Cellulose and cutin. And the correct option is B. Question number 52. It serves as vector in genetic engineering. A. Plasmid, B. Plastids, C. Pills, D. Nucleoid. And the correct option is A. Plasmid. Question number 53. Membranes in folding in bacteria that initiate DNA replication is A. Nucleosomes, B. Glycosomes, C. Peroxisomes, D. Mesosomes. And the correct option is D. Mesosomes. Question number 54. Tests developed inside the abdomen, in which of the following structure do they lie before birth? A. Vesicle, B. Sac, C. Pouch, D. Scrotum. And the correct option is D. Scrotum. Question number 55. In the process of ovulation, which of the following structures sucks the egg? Point. Released from alternate ovary every month. A. Ureter. B. Oviducts. C. Uterus. D. Vagina. And the correct option is B. Oviducts. Question number 56. After ovulation, graphene follicle converts into A. Carpus luteum, B. Carpus callosum, C. Carpus albicans, D. Carpus atracea. And the correct option is A. Carpus luteum. Question number 57. Fertilization of ovum takes place in rabbit, man, and other placental mammals in A. Cervix, B. Uterus, D. Fallopian tube, D. Ovary. And the correct option is C. Fallopian tube. Question number 58. Corpus luteum in mammals occur in brain and connects the two cerebral hemisphere. B. Skin and acts as a pain receptor. C. Heart and initiate arterial connection. D. Ovaries and produces progesterone hormones. And the correct option is D. Question number 59. How are the ribs attached to vertebrae? A. Fixed joints. B. Partially movable joints. C. Movable joints. D. Ball and socket joints. And the correct option is B. Partially movable joints. Question number 60. Which cavities are present around the joints and contain a thin oily fluid that reduces friction and keeps the joints moving freely? A. Acetabulum. B. Deltoid ridge. C. Synovial. D. Ventricles. And the correct option is C. Synovial. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. Complete solved paper is uploaded on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. You may watch. Thank you. This muscle controls the diameter of your blood vessels. A. Smooth muscle. B. Skeletal muscle. C. Striated muscle. D. Cardiac muscle. And the correct option is A. Smooth muscle. Question number 62. When Mendel crossed together two contrasting homozygous individuals, the phenotype of the hybrid in F1 class appeared to be that of A. Recessive parent, B. Half dominant and recessive, C. Indifferent, D. Dominant parent. And the correct option is D. Dominant parent. Question number 63. If a D hybrid cross is made between Pisum sativum plants producing yellow round and green wrinkled seeds, result of F2 generation show yellow round 9/16, yellow wrinkled 3/16, green round 3/16, green wrinkled 1/16. Which ratio of these results confirm independent assortment had taken place? A. 1/16, B. 3/16 and 3/16, C. 9/16, D. 3/16. And the correct option is B. Question number 64. An orthopedic specialist observes the X-ray of the joint of a patient and detected hardening of the cartilage due to excessive calcium deposit. Consequently, the joint was very stiff and crippled. What was the patient suffering from? A. Disc slip. B. Spondylosis. C. Sciatica. D. Arthritis. And the correct option is D. Arthritis. Question number 65. Which of the following is a disease in which the blood fails to clot? A. Color blindness. B. Diabetics. C. Hemophilia. D. Alkapoteinuria. And the correct option is C. Hemophilia. Question number 66. In human beings, multiple alleles control inheritance of A. Color blindness, B. Phylacteria, C. Sickle cell anemia, D. Blood groups. And the correct option is D. Blood groups. Question number 67. Polygenic inheritance forms the basis of A. Incomplete dominance, B. Codominance, C. Continuous variation, D. Discontinuous variation. And the correct option is C. Continuous variation. Question number 68. Mr. X and Mr. X have some genotype for blood groups. What is the expected probability of the blood group of their children? And the correct option is B. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel for more solved past papers and preparation. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. This is the 9th video on Sindh MDCAT 2023 paper. I had shared MDCAT biology section in previous video. In this video, I am going to share chemistry solved questions. This will help you for the preparation of MDCAT and other related exams where chemistry is required. Question number 69. Which of the following reactions can be used for the conversion of ethyl alcohol into acetaldehyde? And the correct answer is dehydrogenation. Question number 70. Which of the following is formed when excesses of ethyl alcohol is treated with concentrated H2SO4 at a low temperature? And the correct answer is diethyl ether. Question number 71. Which of the following will give iodoform reaction on the treatment with Na2CO3 and I2? And the correct answer is acetone. Question number 72. Which of the following is formed when formamide is treated with oxidizing mixture H2SO4 plus K2Cr2O7? And the correct option is methanoic acid. Question number 73. Dry distillation of which of the following can be done to produce acetone? And the correct option is calcium acetate. Question number 74. The elimination between alkyl halides and strong base takes place by two mechanisms, E1 and E2. How many steps are involved in each one of these? And the correct answer is E1 elimination is 2 steps and E2 is 1 step. Question number 75. Which of the following is an example of tertiary alkyl halide? And the correct answer is 2-bromo-2-methyl-butane. Question number 76. Radius of first orbit of hydrogen is 0.53 a, which orbit has a radius of 4.77 a, and the correct option is third. Question number 77. Which of the following has only one in space in the magnetic field? And the correct answer is s orbital. Question number 78. What's the class of one proton? And correct option is equal to 1836 electron. Question number 79. Which of the following is different in Na plus Z is equal to 11 and Mg plus 2 Z is equal to 12 and Ai plus 3 Z is equal to 13? And the correct option is number of protons. Question number 80. What is the IUPAC name of static acid? And is octadecoic acid. Question number 81. Which of the following is formed when acetone is oxidized? And the correct option is ethanoic acid. Question number 82. What is the IUPAC name of a B-dimethyl valeric acid? And the correct option is 2,3-dimethyl pentanoic acid. Question number 83. What volume of the oxygen at STP required to burn 500 dm cube of ethane? And the correct option is 1500 dm cube. Question number 84. Valence shell electronics configuration of an element is 4s square 4p1. To which group does the element belong? And the correct option is 3a. Question number 85. Ca Z is equal to 20 forms ionic bond with Z is equal to 17. What is chemical formula of calcium chloride? And the correct option is CaCl2. Question number 86. CO2 and SO2 are two compounds. Which of the following best describes these two compounds? And the correct option is CO2 is linear and non-polar. SO2 is angular and polar. Question number 87. What hybridization is insert on carbon atoms in ethane C2H2? And the correct option is SP. Question number 88. Which of the following reactions has same value of Kc and Kp? And the correct option is C, H2 plus I2 2Hi. Question number 89. Which of the following conditions required for maximum yield of ammonia through Haber's process? decreasing temperature. Question number 90. Which of the following is true for reversible reactions at equilibrium? And the correct option is the rate of backward reaction is equal to forward reaction. Question number 90. When benzene reacts with isopropyl chloride in the presence of A1CI3 as Lewis acids, the product formed is isopropyl benzene. What is this reaction called? And the correct answer is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Question number 92. Benzene is subjected to alkylation, nitration, oxidation. The product is B. O-nitrobenzene acid and P-nitrobenzoic acid. Question number 93. Isopropyl chloride is an example of, and the correct answer is secondary alkyl halide. Question number 94. Oxidation of toluene by KMnO4. The product is, and the correct option is benzoic acid. Question number 95. What is the IUPAC name of chloroform? And the correct option is trichloromethane. Question number 96. Which of the following produces maleic anhydride on oxidation of? And the correct option is benzene. Question number 97. What is the oxidation number of Mn in K2MnO4? And the correct option is +6. Question number 98. In electrochemical series, what is the electrode potential of all metals above hydrogen? And the correct option is negative. Question number 99. Organic compounds are classified into, and the correct option is open chain and closed chain compound. Question number 100. Which of the following are the three isomers of pentane? And the correct option is N-pentane, 2-methylbutane, 2,2-dimethylpropane. Question number 101. Which type of isomerism can propanol and oxidate exhibit? And the correct option is functional group isomers. Question number 102. Graph of volume versus total pressure at constant temperature is, and the correct option is non-linear. Question number 103. One atom of nitrogen is at 25 Celsius. Its pressure has increased to atm at 50 Celsius. Volume will change from 1 dm cube to, and the correct option is 0.542 dm cube. Question number 104. Which of the following temperature is referred to as the absolute zero? And the correct option is -273.16 Celsius. Question number 105. An organic compound has C is equal to 40% less than H is equal to 6.67% and O is equal to 53.3%. What is the empirical formula of the compound? And the correct option is CH2O. Question number 106. 7.6 grams of CS2 is reacted with 12.8 gram of O2 CS2 plus 3O2 CO2 plus 2SO2. Limiting reactant is, and the correct option is CS2. Question number 107. Water rises in an capillary tube because of, and the correct option is adhesive forces of molecules exceeds cohesive force. Question number 108. Which of the following influences the variation of temperature at which boiling of liquid takes place? And the correct option is outside pressure. Question number 109. Enzymes show optimum activity between 37 Celsius to 50 Celsius. It however works, and correct option is it loses activity permanently above 50 Celsius. Question number 110. Oxidation of secondary propyl alcohol gives, and the correct option is acetone. Question number 111. Which of the following is an amino acid? And the correct option is aspartic acid. Question number 112. What is the order of reaction if the unit of K is second power minus 1? And the correct option is 1. Question number 113. Which of the following best describes the ionic reaction of inorganic compounds? And the correct option is very fast. Question number 114. Metallic property in a group of p block element has a trend, And the correct option is decreases. Question number 115. Superoxide of group Ia element M has formula, and the correct option is MO2. Question number 116. Which pair of element markedly differ from other members of the respective group? And the correct option is lithium and beryllium. Question number 117. Which of the following is a covalent crystal? And the correct option is diamond. Question number 118. The nature of attraction which holds molecular crystal is? And the correct option is van der Waals force. Question number 119. What is the mathematical statement of the first law of thermodynamics? And the correct option is D. Question number 120. What is H equal to Z according to the first law of thermodynamics? And the correct option is B. Question number 121. Why do transition elements from interstitial compounds? And the correct option is holes present in crystal lattice of transition elements. Question number 122. The ligand diethylene trimine is an example of, and the correct option is tridentate. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us for more past papers. I will upload physics questions in the upcoming videos. Stay connected. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share physics part MCQs from 123 from Sindh MDCAT 2023 conducted by Sindh Medical University. So question number 123. In which spectral series is the far ultraviolet region of electromagnetic spectrum found? The correct option is Lyman series. Question number 124. The Ohm's law is applicable if, and the correct option is if temperature of the conductor remains same. Question number 125. Which of the following refers to the DC current that doesn't change its intensity? And the correct option is steady current. Question number 126. The internal resistance of a battery is in series to the external load. Question number 127. The electric potential sets across the terminals of a battery is called, and the correct option is terminal voltage. Question number 133. If a transformer has 500 turns on primary coil and 250 turns on secondary coil, then, and the correct option is output voltage is half of input voltage. Question number 134. Which of the following defines the change in magnetic flux per unit area? And the correct option is magnetic flux density. Question number 135. What is the dot product of magnetic inductions and unit area? And the correct option is magnetic flux. Question number 136. What does the magnetic flux measure? And the correct answer is it measures strength of the magnetic field. Question number 137. The change in electric potential with respect to distance equals to potential gradient. This is the correct answer, potential gradient. Question number 133. If a transformer has 500 turns on primary coil and 250 turns on secondary coil, then, and the correct option is output voltage is half of input voltage. Question number 134. Which of the following defines the change in magnetic flux per unit area? And the correct option is magnetic flux density. Question number 135. What is the dot product of magnetic inductions and unit area? And the correct option is magnetic flux. Question number 136. What does the magnetic flux measure? And the correct answer is it measures strength of the magnetic field. Question number 137. The change in electric potential with respect to distance equals to potential gradient. This is the correct answer, potential gradient. Question number 138. The amount of energy required in moving an electron of charge E by the application of 2 volt potential difference is equal to 1 eV. Question number 139. Which law explains the relation between amount of charges and force between them? And the correct option is Coulomb's law. Question number 140. What does the electric field around a charge represent? And the correct option is effective area of electrostatic force. Question number 141. 1 Nc equals to, and the correct answer is 1 Vm. Question number 142. What will be the value of acceleration if a body of mass 0.5 kg is acted upon by force of 10 Newton? And the correct option is 20 meter per second square. Question number 143. What is the time rate of change of linear momentum? And the correct option is force. Question number 144. Radiations are dangerous to living organisms because they damage the cell by, and the correct option is by producing ions in the cells. Question number 145. Which of the following results in centripetal acceleration is produced in a body? And the correct option is change in direction of velocity. Question number 146. 1 radian is equal to 57.3 degree. Question number 147. A wheel of bike rotates from rest and achieves 6.28 radians per second in 2 seconds. What will be its angular acceleration? And the correct option is 3.14 radians per second square. Question number 148. The ratio between linear velocity and radius equals to, and the correct option is angular velocity. Question number 149. Which law has a graph similar to the graph of isothermal process? And the correct option is Boyle's law. Question number 150. Due to sudden rain, which of the following is true for the car moving on the road? And the correct option is linear momentum increases. Question number 151. Which of the following are the application of Doppler's effect? And the correct option is measuring the speed of automobile. Question number 152. Longitudinal waves exhibit, and the correct option is phenomena of superposition of waves. Question number 153. The property of system that does not change during adiabatic change is it is amount of heat. Question number 154. Which statement is best for electric flux or a point charge? And the correct option is independent of shape of surface in which charge is enclosed. Number 155. In beta positive, nuclear number is conserved. Question number 156. Which of the following expression is constant for freely falling body? And the correct option is C. mgh plus 1 upon 2 mv square. 157. The product of frequency and wavelength of a wave equals to, and the correct option is it is equal to speed of the wave. Question number 158. Two bodies of masses 10 kg and 40 kg are dropped from the same height. At the same time, value of which of the following remains the same during the motion of the two bodies? And the correct option is value of the acceleration will remain the same. Question number 159. A body of mass 4 kg is moving in a circle of a radius 2 meter. If the body moves round a complete circle, what is the work done by the body? And the correct option is it will be 0. Question number 160. A kilowatt, 1 kilowatt or equals to, it will be equal to 3.6 mJ. Question number 161. In standing waves, the distance between two consecutive nodes or antinodes is 2. And the correct option is B. Question number 162. If the fundamental frequency of a vibration of a string fixed both ends in is 50 Hz, the fourth harmonic will be 200 Hz. A is correct option. Question number 163. A ball is thrown horizontally with 19.6 meter per second. After 2 seconds, its horizontal velocity component will be 19.6 meter per second. Question number 164. In a projectile motion, the acceleration in horizontal direction is 0. C is the correct option. Question number 165. In a vibratory motion, the maximum displacement of the body on either side of its equilibrium position is called amplitude. Question number 166. The process in which no external work is performed is called. The correct option is isochoric. Question number 161. Induced EMF in AC generator can be increased by increasing area of coil. Question number 168. A transformer is used to transform alternating current and voltage. Question number 169. A semiconductor diode can be used as a half wave rectifier. Question number 170. Half-life of radon gas is 3.8 days. Question number 171. Two capacitor 6 UF and 12 UF are in series connected across a 200 volts DC supply. Calculate the charge on each capacitor respectively. And the correct option is A. Question number 172. Soft cylindrical electrical conducting wires has resistance R. It is straight so that its length is doubled but its radius stay constant. What would be the new resistance? And its correct option is 2R. Question number 173. The speed of sound at 0 Celsius in air is 332 meter per second. What will the speed of sound at 50 Celsius? And the correct option is 362 meter per second. Question number 174. A force 2F acting on a particular mass 10 kg produces an acceleration of 30 meter per second square. A force 5F acting on a particle of mass m produces an acceleration of 25 meter second per square. What is the mass m? And the correct option is 30 kg. Question number 175. The main function of a transformer is to convert, and the correct option is one alternating voltage to another alternating voltage of different magnitude. Question number 176. An atom makes a transition from a state of energy E2 to one lower energy E1. Which of the following gives the wavelength of radiations emitted in terms of Planck's constant h and the speed of light c? And the correct option is C. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Facebook. I will upload the remaining part soon. Stay connected. Thank you. Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share English MCQs from Sindh MDCAT 2023 conducted by Jinnah Sindh Medical University. Question number 177. Identify the fragment in the following options, and the correct option is quickly before the rain started. Question number 178. Identify the sentence with the correct use of apostrophe. Question number 179. Which sentence demonstrates the correct use of past tense? And the correct option is he had finished his homework before dinner. Question number 180. Which of the following sentence has the correct word order? And the correct option is she usually goes for jogging in the evening. Question number 181. What would be the suitable response to the questions how was your day at school? And the correct option is it was great, thanks for asking. Question number 182. Identify the error in the sentence the car is red. And the correct answer is the word order is incorrect. It should be his car is red. Question number 183. What is the antonym of the generous? And the correct option is selfish. Question number 184. The sun began to dash behind the mountains, casting a warm and beautiful glow across the valley. And the correct option is rise. Question number 185. After a long day at work, Sarah found dash in her favorite book, Escaping into Captivating World. And the correct option is Wallace. Question number 186. Identify the sentence with incorrect use of punctuation. And the correct option is I am going to the store. Do you need anything? B is the correct option, not C. Question number 187. Which sentence has correct grammatical and style structure? They are playing saucer. And the correct option is A. Question number 188. Choose a sentence with the correct use of apostrophe in possessives. And the correct option is the cat's toys are in corner. Question number 189. Which article should be used in the blank to make the sentence grammatically correct? He lives in dash old house. And the correct option is he lives in an old house. Question number 190. Identify the mistake in the use of prepositions in the following sentence. She is good at cooking in the kitchen. And the correct option is it is correct sentence. Question number 191. Which sentence demonstrates correct subject verb agreement? And the correct option is the cats are sleeping. Read the passage and answer the following three questions. Nobody knows when fiction started. Perhaps the first storyteller was prehistoric mother trying to explain the work for the children. Or maybe it was a hunter telling about his adventures around the campfire. Who can tell? Storytelling was purely around 800 BC. Myth and tales were passed down by word of mouth and had to be memorized by each new generations of storytellers. This oral traditions only examples of Homer, a blind professional storyteller who lived in the 8th century BC. 192. The contextual fiction is narrative. Question number 193. The myth were passed down by word of mouth. Question number 194. It is stated in the passage that storytelling possibly began in the prehistorical times. Now comes logical reasoning. Question number 195. Isa is younger than Musa. Which of the following is true about its information? The relationship cannot be determined. Question number 196. Look at the samples to find the pattern. Select the pattern from the options given below. D option is correct, but picture is not given. Question number 197. Sarah is 5 ranks below the top students Falak. In a class of 50 students, what is Sarah's rank from the bottom of the class? And it is 45th. Question number 198. If blue is called green, green is called white, white is called red, and red is called yellow, what is the color of milk? And it is red, because white is called red. Question number 199. Read the statements and courses of actions carefully, then select the most appropriate option, and the correct option is the most appropriate approach is 2. Question number 200. Read the two statements carefully and then choose the best form of the options. Statement 1. It was raining cats and dogs. Statement 2. The football match was cancelled. Statement 1 is the cause and statement. It is effect. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel for more past papers, and also share your valuable feedback in the comment box. Thank you.